So now I join this coding rooms. Alright, while waiting for the assignments. This assignment we are going to use Replit. Oh, sorry, previously with Replit, but this one is on the printing. So they say that I have to fill in this example output. Okay. So after you have written your code, you should run your program and it should print the following. They want me to print this whole thing. Okay. Which is the printing shall state this information. So I open assignment workspace. So this is how I make the printing. Okay, at the first place, what I did, I thought it should state print hello world as usual. I thought it should be this way. Okay, so definitely if we type this print hello world and then click run, I will get the answer in the hello world. Okay, and then I can submit uh, this to this assignment. Okay, we can submit and then we can get the result. Okay, unfortunately, what this question is asking, I need to produce an output that state this information, meaning that I have three sentences. So because of that, so I change the word that I need to write. So it should be this way. So this is what they are looking for actually. Then I type another print, still the same. So I just copy and paste here, and then type another print, and then copy and paste it. It's great, right? So because of this, and then I click run. So this is the result that duplicating the question itself. So when I click submit, so they say that submit your code. Okay, it's like an assignment, but I try to but this is a multiple time submission of assignment, then there is no grading actually. So you can see here the score that I get is 100%. So this is what it looks like. Okay, they asking me to produce these sentences, so I type the code as it is. Perhaps this is an amateur way of typing the coding, so I just choose the simplest one. Okay, so then I can click close. So in this day I just write learn about how to print uh, an output using the print function. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching this video. So this is the second day of challenge on learning 100 days of coding. I think it will be more than 100 days learning on this. Okay, so it depends on my space and my pace on completing the challenge. It's not the challenge actually, the learning curve that I shall follow. Okay, all right. So how about if we look back at the printing function, for example, you can see here it's compulsory to have a double quote after the parentheses or between the parentheses. So, and then if you see here, there is a phrase what to print in single quote. So you can see the result will be, right? So if you can see that, so okay, there is, when we click run, can get this result, okay, where the what to print phrase in single quote. How about if we change the single quote into double quote as well? Does it giving a different meaning? example. So you can see here it will provide a syntax error, invalid syntax, which is the executor failed to identify which one is the string. Okay, so how about if we change single quote before and the or within the parentheses and let the what to print to be in double quote. So you can see when we choose single quote and double quote within one sentence, it can be print or can be the output can be shown here by the through the printing function. Okay, so that's indicate you cannot use two double quote in one sentence. Okay, how about if we change single quote and then what to print to be single quote as well? Does it giving any errors? So errors goes back. So that's indicate you cannot use double quotes, two set of double quotes in one sentence, but you also cannot use two sets of single quote in one sentence. So it's either you use double quote, single quote to get the results, or you can use single quote and double quote. So single quote and double quote in one sentence. Okay, to get the same result. So that's will provide the results on this printing function. Okay, so that's also indicate that the printing function allows us to use single quote and double quote in the string. Okay, so I think that's all. We will mix this video with the previous video on printing function. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.